going? No, sit down. It's okay. Yeah, she gave you my number. And I'm so glad you came. Like, I think this is gonna be really, really good for you. So, she told me a little bit about what you've been going through, but I want to hear it from you. Okay. That's really hard. No, I'm honestly just smiling because I totally get it. You're literally me like 2 years ago. Yeah, and you feel like that cycle just keeps like repeating and repeating and repeating. Yeah, hold on. Excuse me. Yeah, I can totally relate. Listen, we can sit here all day and talk about how hard it is and like what's wrong with us, but there's something I want to show you that I think it'll help. Do you want to see what it is? Awesome. Sorry, honestly, before we get into what's gonna help you, like I haven't eaten all day. I had the busiest week. I actually work in the advertising agency, just like down the street. Yeah, the big one on the corner. I know it's probably hard to believe because I'm so young, but I actually was once exactly where you are, and now I'm doing so well. And I'm gonna tell you how I got there. But first, I honestly need to have a snack. Yeah, these are just, these like soft baked, like mini cookies. I allow myself to have 1 treat a day because I understand moderation now. I think that might be part of your problem, but like, again, like we'll get into it in a sec. Let me just read the ingredients here. Oh my god, they smell so amazing. Do you want one? Oh, sorry. I didn't realize you were vegan. It's so good to eat. I haven't eaten all day. I don't recommend that, honestly. The first step to elevating your mental health is taking care of your body. Honestly. Okay. Now that I got that out of the way, I'm gonna show you what I believe to be a really, really transformative book. I think I first read this book like 2.5 years ago, and when I read this book, like, oh wow, that sounds kind of nice. When I read this book for the first time, like everything just blew wide open for me. I'm gonna read you something from the book, and I want you to tell me if this sounds like something you can relate to. You know what, I'm just gonna actually read from the hardcover because it hits harder, you know what I mean? Tell me if this describes what you've been going through. Let me just find the page. So it says here, we were a prey. Oh, sorry, my mistake. We were having trouble with personal relationships. We couldn't control our emotional natures. We were a prey to misery and depression. Oh my god, I think they're doing something in the pipes in this coffee shop, so ignore that. We couldn't make a living. I'm making a living now, so just know, like, it gets better. We had a feeling of uselessness. We were full of fear. We were unhappy. We couldn't seem to be of real help to other people. Literally, do you relate to that? I thought so. I think you might be in the right place, and I think I may be able to introduce you to some people who can help you. But first, can you admit that you've had enough? Good job. Hold on. stop doing like other things, like more harmful things. I just like love coffee, you know what I mean, and cigarettes, but I'm doing really well. So, the place I wanted to take you, like, they're actually getting together in about 10 minutes, so I think we should head